The attacks are cowardly, yet openly disingenuous and arrogant. Absence of basic human decency and respect for the rule of law. Typical of people drunk in power. We remain strong, steadfast, and grounded in truth, integrity, and faith in the hand of God that will move in ways we cannot comprehend at this point. At naniniwala akong maipapanalo natin ang laban na ito dahil laban natin itong lahat. Maipapanalo natin ito sa kabila ng mga banta, pananakot, pagmamalabis at bangis. Tandaan natin na walang silbi ang anumang hadlang sa nagkakaisang mamamayan.